Hi guys, today we'll be talking about specific species of tapeworms. The species that I chose are from fishpathogen.net, and then I found more scholarly sources on the individual species. So on fishpathogens.net, they include these species, among a few others that I cover in other videos, like the Asian fish tapeworm. But today we'll be looking at these four. So the first one, Linguala intestinalis, is very common in carp, roach, and dace. And as we talked about before, these tapeworms tend to have three hosts: a copepod, a fish, and a bird. So the fish, the second hosts are the carp, roach, and dace, and then the third hosts are the herons and cormorants, which eat the fish. And the treatment for this includes dronocyte at 5 milligrams per kiloliter or kilogram, and yeah, or you can feed your fish a pellet form of a dewormer, which is mebendazole. These aren't the only treatments, just some suggestions I found. The second tapeworm is called the broadfish tapeworm, and it's called this because the proglottids are wider than they are longer, so they have a broad shape. It creates pale cysts on the outside of the gut, which you can see here. Oh, and the name is Diphthalatobolithurium. And so here are the pale cysts that it creates, and this is what the schoolix looks like. And a treatment includes praziquantel at 5 to 10 milligrams per liter, and that's as advised by the CDC. The next one is the Schizophalalis solidus, which is also known as the stickleback tapeworm. As you can see, the sticklebacks here. And it is very interesting because it alters the fish, the host fish, the secondary host fish behavior. So this tapeworm deprives the stickleback of oxygen, which means they will swim up to the surface and gulp the oxygenated water at the top of the surface, and since they're frequenting the surface more, they're gonna get eaten. They are more susceptible to be eaten by a bird or like a rat or something like that. And it is native to, or it is found in western and eastern North America, including Alaska, Canada, Europe, and Eurasia. And the last one is Proteocephalus, which is the bass tapeworm, and it can make fish sterile or otherwise unhealthy, which we discussed in the life cycle or the morphology video, one of those. And that just happens sometimes. And in its plural sesquioid stage, it makes these pale cysts on the guts. Otherwise, it looks like this. And yep, that's it for today. So these are specific species. And check out the Asian fish tapeworm video. That's a whole video on one tapeworm.